fact or fiction? You picked your poison. This mental friction, clearly it's been broken. Borderline tragic, you're so dramatic. It's automatic, you turn it on like magic. What would it take to make you feel better again? What would it take to make you feel better again? What would it take to make you feel better again? Better again. Don't deliver, truth it tastes so bitter. Walking a fine line, living a white lie. You're wasting my time, waiting for a bright side. Staring up at the ceiling, do we lose a plot? Get you in the fair with the feelings, this is all we got. It should have been fucking easy, well turns out it's not. Can someone please stop the bleeding till you call the shots? So staring up at the